Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts with the all-new Apple Vision Pro coming out. Apple just released the latest update for the iPhone, allowing you to go ahead and record in spatial video. That's right, allowing you to go ahead and create video content for the new device that's coming out soon, I believe next year. Now, with that said, this here's a quick tutorial on how to go ahead and get a head start on it and start creating unique content for it. Now, this video that you're watching right now is actually recorded in spatial video, so it kind of gives you an idea how does it look on YouTube. Let's jump right into it. All right, so this here is our Apple settings. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and scroll down and find camera. Once you click on camera, you go ahead and click on formats. Scroll slightly down and right there it says spatial video for Apple Vision Pro. Simply click that and now it has been enabled. From there, go into your regular camera settings, click on video and hold it sideways, and from there we should see the all new feature which is right here on the bottom right. Click that and there we are. So now it is recording. So if I simply just hit record, you can actually record in this unique way. Now, the idea behind this is designed for the new device that's coming out, allowing you to go ahead and see everything in such an augmented reality, giving you a unique perspective on almost like reliving the moment. So it is that simple and definitely a great head start in being able to go ahead and create some unique content going forward. And yeah, there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like, subscribe, and of course comment down below. And be sure to check out some of our other videos for some cool robotics as well as tech as well. With that said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.